Hi, today we're going to take a unboxing review at on 4-port USB hub, compact portable design. I picked this up at Walmart. I want to say $10, but I believe it's like 7, so $7 to $10 price range. It's been a while, so that I was able to get to this review. So yeah, not actually sure what the actual price is, but somewhere between the $7 and $10 price. I don't think it says it here. No, it doesn't. But let's get to focus. So yeah, it's using USB 2.0, not 3.0, but 2.0. Plug and play installation, powered by the computer's USB port with no adapter required. Walmart.com. So yeah, let's go ahead, open it up, check this out, and see what it's all about. What's this? Okay, so we have a little piece of paper in here that's tape. So if anyone wants to know the model number, that's the model number. It's the ONC14HO201. Yeah, okay. And then here it kind of tells you, all the functions like, where is it? Okay, device is ready for plug and play, 2 for computer, right, 2, which would be this one here. So, what? So we have an indicator light, 4 USB ports, a 3-inch USB cable looks like it's on there. Not really that much information, so pretty much you just take it, open it up like this, put it in its little channel, and if you're wondering how it has that connection, see right there, that little nub right there? That's actually going to go into this little USB port. So that's what's going to hold the cable down. On the back of it, you can see that it has 4 little feet. So it's actually kind of cool. Little design right here. Here's the 3 USBs right there, plus the 4th one. So let's go ahead and see if it's going to work. I'm going. Okay, we got power. You saw that light up. Let's go ahead and plug this one in. This one's a little bit finicky, but it is lighting up. And what the heck? Let's just try out my phone. Hey, phone went on. It's charging. So yeah, it does its job. So let me go ahead and plug these things back in. So yeah, I mean, small, compact, dust proof. So these 3 are going to be dust proof. This 4th one's going to be dust proof because of the little plug here. The only thing that's not going to be dust proof is going to be this one. Is actually going to go into like your wall, power block, or one of the USBs on your computer, or PS4, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, which is something that for like those gaming consoles, I really recommend you going out and picking yourself up a couple of these. These are really cheap, inexpensive, and they're going to solve that problem that a lot of gaming consoles like, let's take for example the PS4, where it's like, dude, you gotta have a PS4, but then in the back you gotta plug in your PS4 camera, then in the front you gotta plug in your PS4 controller. Oh, but then you gotta plug in your PS4 VR headset. But right there, that's already 3 plugs that's already used up, because they only give you 2 USBs in the front and 1 in the back. But then you also need 2 more USBs to put in your little I forget what they're called, but they're like the Wii remote slash Joy-Cons. They're like the PlayStation one, PlayStation Move. I guess that's what they call it, the Move Cons or something. I don't remember what they were called. Yeah, each one of those, the left and the right one, both require them to be charged individually. In a lot of games, like you gotta put on the headset, you gotta have your 2 little like drumsticks, and then you gotta have your controller running. Well, hello, that requires 5 ports, and the PS4 only has 3 USB ports, 2 in the front, 1 in the back. So you're going to need to pair one of these. If you have things like the Xbox One, you might need one of these. For as the storage, have a external external hard disk drive, one of those things go out the side of it. Your camera for your PlayStation, not PlayStation, but your Xbox camera, your Xbox controllers charging, because that thing, I think it only has 2 USBs on my Xbox One, if I remember correctly. I don't really use that much. And I know there's like at least 2 on Nintendo Switch. I don't really use that console that much either anyway. But yeah, definitely, you might want to put some of these up if you have consoles. Or if you think about Christmas gifts, like getting someone a console, you see this down the tech aisle, grab one. I'd say grab at least 2, but hey, one's better than nothing. And hello, these video game companies, when they design a console, they need to weigh up and be like, wait a minute, we got all these things that require all these USB ports, but we only limit you to like 2 USB ports. But we got the stuff that requires you to charge up with 5 USB ports. Put more USB ports in, or have things that charge up 2 things at once, or, just don't make the other stuff. Real simple. Yeah, but anyway, that has been the unboxing review of the ONN Brat 4 USB, 4 USB hub. I don't know if this came in any other colors. It might have came in white, but all I know is they had a ton of the black ones, so I just put out the black. Anyway, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.